It's release day, April the 7th, 2021. Black Diamond. Let's get into it. Let's see what it's got for us. All right, we got Black Diamond 2021 Hobby Box. Just broke today. I'm really excited to get into this product. This is something that was supposed to release a month ago. And like everything else, it released 2 months late. This is retailing in the great province of Quebec for like $4.98 tax in. So it's not your base product. It's the first high-end box of the year. So let's see if the price is worth the hits. All right, how are we going to do this? We're going to open it up, break the seal. Ooh, one pack. It's got one pack and 6 premium cards. It's a thick one. So how about we do it like this? We're going to hide the cards behind it. I'll put some protection down, and we're going to get into this pack. Man, I am excited. Black Diamond, every year is something special. Always fun to see that new monster come out. There we go. Let's just do this right. There we go. All of our hits that we're going to hit today are going right up on our eBay page. Link in the description down below. And if you like how we do things here at LW, well, good news. We're going to invite you over to our break group on the Facebook. First card out of the gates. It's a Diamond Legend. Oh, is that ever sick? Black Diamond Legends, Dominic Hasek. Oh, wow. Buffalo fan, goalie fan. That is just really cool. You can see it's got a thick card. It's like 55 point. Dominic Hasek. It's got 4 years of stats on there. Diamond Legends, BDLDH, if you're keeping track at home. That is pretty friggin' nice. Here we go. Put that in a little protection for us when we put it aside. Here we go. Here comes another Black Diamond Relic Rookie. Out of 99. Check it out. It's Pavel Francouz. Single diamond. Oh, is that ever nice? BDR PF. The quality. It's not like Artifacts where everything was all chipped up. This is just some... When they say high-end product, they mean it, man. They mean it. Mr. Francouz. There we go. Let's get that in a 180 over here. I got a stand for you. I got a stand for you. Pop that over there. Now we got from the Columbus Blue Jackets. It's Zach Werenski. Black Diamond Mine Relics Blue Jackets. Very cool. Zach Werenski. Check it out. DMRZW. Little piece of jersey in there. It's nice. It's got the insert, the inset. That's another nice looking card. I tell you. It's worth the wait, I think. It's worth the wait. I know I'm going to do a 5-box break over on our break site. So if you're interested in joining us for a 5-box break of some Black Diamond, well, come on over. Link in the description. I always made fun of my son for saying stuff like that, and now his 40-year-old father is saying the same. Here comes a rookie gem. Oh, if you're a New York Islanders fan, it's Ilya Sorokin. Black Diamond Rookie Gems, numbered to 399, 111 out of 399. RGIS. It's got his Moscow stats in there. He's in this practice jersey. Was kind of a letdown. Kind of a letdown, but cool card nonetheless. At least it's one of the higher end rookies. I didn't get a Darren Radish or whatever his name is. Here comes, what's this called? A Black Diamond Winter Classic Memories. Vladimir Tarasenko.
Ha ha! Flavor Flav!
Flavor Flav likes it. Just special. WCVT. There we go. Tarasenko, St. Louis Blues. Another thick 180. There we go. Thick 180. Right. Last card. It's a rookie draft day. Numbered to 199. Vitaly Kravtsov. Vitaly Kravtsov. Vitaly Kravtsov. Oh, give him a little bit of fire. Exquisite collection. Vitaly Kravtsov. Number to 199 for the Rangers. Oh, you gotta like that. We brought some fire here tonight. Very nice. That's it. Short but sweet. What a fun little box this was. Short but sweet. All right. So let's go over the cards. For Black Diamond, we started it off with the Diamond Legends of Dominic Hasek. Not ho-hum at all. Textured card, pretty cool. Then we had Ilya Sorokin Rookie Gems. Very nice. That should... We had a Black Diamond Relic Rookie Single Diamond. Mr. Pavel Francouz, numbered to 99. We had a Mr. Zach Werenski Diamond Mine Relics from the Blue Jackets. Nice card. Black Diamond Winter Classic Memories, Vladimir Tarasenko. And then we topped it off with an exquisite rookie draft day, Vitaly Kravtsov, number 103 of 199. Again, if you guys want to see us for our breaks, link in the description. And if you want to get any of these cards, we're going to put the link to our eBay up. So we're going to see you soon. It was nice hanging out.